In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice on Zoho, a quick and efficient process that can be done in just about 5 minutes. If you're ready, let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Zoho Books account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access the dashboard where you can manage your invoices. Once you're in, you'll want to locate and click on the Sales tab. This is where all your sales activities, including invoice creation, are managed. Next, direct your attention to the Invoices section. Clicking on this takes you to the Invoicing page where you can either create new invoices or manage existing ones. Now let's get started on creating a new one. The first thing you'll need to do is select or add a customer. Zoho makes this easy by allowing you to either choose from your existing client list or input new customer details if you're dealing with someone new. Don't worry about the invoice number. Zoho takes care of that for you by automatically generating it. This ensures consistency and helps maintain an orderly record of your invoices. After that, you'll want to enter your order number. This helps link the invoice to a specific order or project, keeping everything organized. It's also essential to set the due date for the invoice to let your client know when the payment is expected. Be sure to set this date carefully, considering your company's payment policies and the client's terms. While you're here, don't forget that you can add additional details like a salesperson and a subject line, which can help personalize and specify the invoice for your records and the client's understanding. Moving forward, go to the item details section. Here, fill in the specifics of the products or services provided. Be as detailed as possible to avoid any confusion. If you need to add additional items, Zoho offers the Add New Row option, or you can even add items in bulk to save time. As you wrap up the item section, it's time to fill in any discounts, shipping charges, or adjustments. These details are crucial for ensuring that the total billed amount is accurate. If you have any special instructions or messages for the customer, consider adding notes in the Customer Notes section. Don't overlook the Terms and Conditions field where you can clarify any payment terms or policies. Also, if you'd like, you can attach relevant files to the invoice, such as a contract or supporting documents, which can be handy for reference. As you near completion, you might want to set up a payment gateway. This allows for seamless payment collection directly from the invoice. Once everything is set, you have two choices. You can either save the invoice as a draft if you need to review it later, or you can go ahead and save and send to dispatch the invoice to your client right away. And there you have it, a complete professional invoice ready to go in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and happy billing.